There was a time when I was desperate to make money online. I'd see ads saying, all you need is a laptop and you can make thousands a month. So I tried. Dropshipping? Failed. Freelancing? Nobody hired me. YouTube? My videos barely got 10 views before dying out. I remember staring at my account balance. Still zero. Frustrating. Then I discovered AI, and that completely changed the game. It helped me make $100 a day, without any real skills. The truth is, most people quit because of the same three walls. Can't write well, no one reads their stuff. Can't design, products look cheap, no one buys. Post videos, no one watches. Making money online isn't as easy as those ads promise. But when I started using AI, everything shifted. It felt like I suddenly had a whole team of experts, writers, designers, marketers, working for me, for free. And it's not just me. A creator named Tony Lysandridi shared how he used AI to generate scripts, voices, images, basically his entire channel. And he's making around $100 a day. On Etsy, I found shops selling thousands of kids' books and coloring pages, many clearly made with AI, pulling in tens of thousands of dollars. That's when I thought, if they can do it, why can't I? One night, I opened ChatGPT and typed, write a 10-page children's story about a dancing dinosaur, fun and easy for 5-year-olds. In less than 30 seconds, I had a complete story. Beginning, characters, climax, and ending. If I had to write it myself, it would have taken me a week. But with AI, all I needed was one idea and a few lines of text. Suddenly, I had a book. Next, I needed illustrations, so I used Midjourney. I typed a prompt like, cute cartoon dinosaur dancing, children's book style, bright colors. Within seconds, I had professional-looking artwork that could have come straight from a bookstore. I can't draw to save my life, but now I had a set of beautiful illustrations. Then I opened Canva. They already have templates for ebooks. I copied the text from ChatGPT, dropped in the images from Midjourney, adjusted fonts and colors, and within 20 minutes, I had a polished PDF that looked like it came from a real publisher. If I wanted to print it, I could have used Amazon KDP templates too. For the first time, I felt like I had a real product, not just an idea. I listed the book on Etsy for $9.99 and uploaded it to Amazon KDP as well. When I hit publish, I honestly thought, no one's going to buy this. It's just AI stuff. But within the first week, I sold 3 copies. That was $29.97. Not life-changing, but it was proof, real proof, that someone out there would pay for what I made. So I made more, book after book. And slowly, my daily average hit about $100. Now, $100 a day might not sound huge to some people, but for someone like me, starting with 0 skills, it was everything. It wasn't just about the money, it was the belief. I can actually do this. Artificial intelligence. AI won't make you a millionaire overnight, but it gives you something most people never had before. A level playing field. You don't need to be a genius. You just need to start. So, the real question is, are you ready to try today?
Hi there, friends! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content like this.